So in this video, we're going to show you a new website that we think you'll love. All you have to do is sign up on this website and we'll show you how to generate money over and over again. It's that simple. Using this method, you don't need any money, you don't need any prior expertise, you don't need a camera, and you don't need a large social media following. In addition to that, it works for beginners and for those who are currently unemployed. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So what we want you to do is go to this website right here. This website is called Social Tradia. People use this site to purchase and sell Instagram accounts. Thus, it's practically a marketplace. However, we can assure you that we will not be selling any Instagram accounts today. And it's completely free, so you won't have to pay a penny. If you scroll down, you can see some of the accounts being sold on this website. For example, this account sells for $110, this account for $130, and this account for $180. As we reiterated earlier, you won't be required to purchase any of them. However, this website is a crucial part of our method today. So these people are selling their accounts for roughly $100 or less. Why not sell their accounts for more? Let us show you how much you can make here. If you go to the followers section located here and choose the 5,000 to 20,000 accounts, you can see here accounts that have between 5,000 and 20,000 followers. We can see here that a 10,700 follower account sells for $180. If we look at another account, this one with 11,500 followers is being sold for $250. As a result, the greater the number of followers you have, the more money you can make by selling your accounts. If we take a look at some of the bigger accounts right here, which are accounts with between 20 and 50,000 followers, you can see that the prices have increased. For example, someone here is selling an Instagram account for $400. Another account we can see here is being sold for almost $600. Now take note that this is just for one Instagram account. Now go back to the main page and look at these accounts that sell for $100. What we can do is help them increase their follower count so that they can sell their accounts for more money, as we have seen for 20 to 50,000 follower accounts. So if this account right here increases its followers by 20,000, this account will sell for so much more, and we'll show you how simple it is. These kinds of people are going to pay you to help them obtain more followers so they can sell their accounts for more money. Hit the like button if you agree. Let me know if you're still following along with me on this journey. So what we're going to do is demonstrate a trick for you. It has a lot more power. It's a website that a lot of people are not familiar with. However, online marketers such as us are aware of this, and we take advantage of this to generate a substantial amount of income every month. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. ViralRace.com is the name of the website that we will be using. And this is a site where you can actually purchase followers that are 100% real. These are not fake bots, as you may have seen on other sites that you have come across online. Right now, we're going to demonstrate how it all works. It's understandable that some of you may be wondering whether or not you'll have to fork over any money, but we assure you that you won't have to do that. Let us show you what you can do to help these individuals over at Social Tradia generate more money with their accounts by using the backdoor method. So for example, we want to help this person that is selling his or her account for $100. It's as simple as sending an email to them and asking, "What if I could get you more real followers so you can earn more money selling on Social Tradia?" The only thing that you're going to do is go out to as many individuals as you possibly can and ask them the same question. However, before you can do that, you need an account in Social Tradia. Creating an account is super easy. You can sign up in less than 30 seconds and you have your account verified in less than a minute. You can then start messaging these folks right away and inform them that you can actually help them generate more money. Those who are skeptical may wonder why these folks would put their confidence in a complete stranger on the internet. What's going to make them trust or believe in what we're offering is in this video. So watch it all the way to the end and you'll realize just how good it is. Theoretically, this individual agreed to work with you to obtain more followers so that they could sell their accounts for a higher price. All you need to do is return to viral race. And then depending on the number of followers they want, say like 10,000, you're going to charge them $180 for this. So you'll be charging them $180 for 10,000 followers on their account, which is basically drop servicing. On the other hand, in viral race, it only costs just $80. So when you sell the service, you'll make $100 in profit. You do not spend any money unless this individual provides it to you first. Thus, money never leaves your pocket. You're utilizing their funds to purchase this package on their behalf. Then you keep the $100. That is insane, right? And this is one of the simplest methods to earn money using the service. You don't need followers, you don't need to be clever. All you need is a desire and readiness to put in the work and reach out to these individuals on social Tradia. Now, a significant disclaimer, you will not become wealthy or a multimillionaire by doing this. You just need to earn some additional income on the side. If, for example, one of these individuals simply wants 5,000 followers, you could easily come right here and check at the price. Now, you can see that the cost of 5,000 followers is around $40. And you just tell them, I'm going to charge you $80 for 5,000 followers. And they would accept your offer without question. The reason for this is that they have never heard of these websites before and hence have no idea that these websites even exist. These folks are completely unaware of these hidden websites that we've shared with you, and that's why this works so effectively for us. It is up to you how much extra you want to charge them. For the $40 service that we mentioned earlier, you can increase that to $90, $100, or $150. It's all up to you. You can control the prices, and that's what makes this method the best. However, making the prices too high will make the person doubt you, or at the end, will not even avail of the service. So make sure that the prices you set are reasonable enough for them to pay for it. So what if these people still doubt you? What you can do is go to poprate.com. On this website, just click on the followers tab, and you can see here that they can buy 10 followers for free. What you can do is tell them, if you still don't believe me, then how about I send 10 followers to your account? And if they agree, then head on to poprate.com and buy the 10 free followers. All you need is the Instagram username and a random email address. Once you do that, then the 10 followers will be instantly added into their accounts. So that is one way to persuade them or show them that what you are offering is legit and can help them increase the value of their Instagram account. What we did in this video today is a form of drop servicing, and that is a very easy thing to do. Just follow the step-by-step guide in this video and you can earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.